This clip is a quick tutorial on how to buy shares of Accent Group Ltd. Accent Group is an Australian footwear retailer and wholesaler listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker AX1.ASX. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and in this example, I show the process on eToro. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AX1.ASX to find Accent Group Ltd. Make sure you select the listing that matches CBOE AUS to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information, recent news, and a price chart. Review these details carefully. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Accent Group Ltd. listing. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed at the next available market session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After purchase, your new position will appear in the portfolio page where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.